You really don't have no sense.
Comment, like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell. That bell.
You know, people not having common sense is so much more common than people having actual common sense. Let that sink in. Like, it's so crazy how so many people just lack basic common sense. Like, I just be at work and sometimes I just be looking at people like, oh, you're so nice and so sweet, but baby, just come here. You just not the brightest. But the ones who are just dumb and like mean and nasty, I'm just like, ugh. Can you just stop talking because you're just dumb? And you're an idiot and you're rude, and I don't have time for any of that chaoticness that's spilling out of your mouth. Like, don't get it twisted. I'm not saying people who lack common sense are like mean and nasty, because sometimes they are the most sweetest and loving people. But it's also like, I'm just very intrigued, honestly, because I'm just like, wow. Like, what is life for you? To just live like a carefree world of kind of like oblivion. Because me, I have too much common sense, I feel. That's why sometimes I get real agitated with people, because I just like, I have all the damn common sense in the world. I'm just like, yo, like that, you didn't think before you did that. But then I have to remember, people don't have common sense, because someone with common sense thinks before they take action. But I'm telling you, sometimes when I listen to people talk who don't have any common sense, it's like I'm just reading a book or listening to an audio book. Yeah. Sometimes I just want to give them a hug. But the ones who are just like mean and nasty and rude, sometimes I just want to be like, ooh. But what I always tell people is, when you argue with a fool, nobody knows who the fool is. I'm going to say it again. Because we're going to let this sink in for real. When you argue with the fool, nobody knows who the fool is. So like when someone who lacks common sense and they're mean and nasty and they ready to argue and blah, 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 ooh, I disengage and I zen and I smile. Because you're not going to make me step out of character. Listen, you're living in your own world of just loofness, and I don't want to join. Like, I'm cool over here in my world. Hey. Ha. Hey. So I'm not going to join you in your world of chaos and stupidity. Like, I'm just not. So my advice to you guys is what? Don't argue with a fool, because nobody knows who the fool is. I'm not saying everybody who lacks common sense is foolish. Or am I? Well, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, like what you hear, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hey, until next time. Until next time. Oh, and don't forget to hit that bell. That what? Hit that bell, so you can get my notifications. I don't know what was up with that hand placement, but whatever. We gonna make it do what it does. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Until next time.